Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Today, desalting Spam. Spam, or luncheon loaf or luncheon meat, has way too much salt in it. Look at that. Here it comes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut this up. 1, 2, yeah. So we're gonna cut this luncheon loaf one more time. I already have my pot of water boiling. Whoa! Go ahead and place them in. Water boils. Now, if you let the water boil for a long time, it's going to take out more and more of the salt. I left it in for about 20 or 30 seconds and then went ahead and put them into a strainer in my sink. I had my pan going to fry them up. Yeah, I wrecked this pan. I was making steaks. Got some spray olive oil. Place them in. Let them cook for a little bit. They're going to cook really fast. Turn them over. Again, with my Walmart bread at a discount, only 87 cents for this sesame seed loaf. And this pickle jar was $1. Came with more pickles than that, but that's all I have left. I'm going to cut this pickle up. Yeah. Went ahead and placed several slices on there. Added some mustard, the pickles, and the sandwich came out pretty good. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. It was cheap and fairly easy. Took a bite. Awesome. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.